Namaste my friends, welcome to YogaCandi. My name's Candice and I've prepared 5 days of meditation for you. During these 5 days we're going to be upping the time by 2 minutes every day. So it's going to be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So we're going to end up with 10 minutes of meditation. And we're going to learn how to tune into the body. So I'm going to talk you through each of our meditations and help you to become aware of the body, of the breath, and to help to calm down and quieten our monkey minds. Now the monkey mind is very clever. It likes to trick us into thinking there's something better to do, that we need to be thinking about something else, maybe yesterday, maybe tomorrow. So what we need to do is just to cultivate awareness and to bring that into the internal body. That's the only way to combat the monkey mind, because actually at the end of the day it's never going to stop. So all we can do is to learn to live with it and learn how to control it. We don't want to stop it, that's almost impossible, but we do want to control it. And this is the best way to help us stress and anxiety. So I hope you guys are going to enjoy this journey with me. Feel free to sign up to YogaCandi.com. On there, I'm going to always keep you up to date with any videos that are coming, as well as the YogaCandi tribe, which is coming soon, and I'd love you to be a part of that as well. So sign up on there. Feel free to hashtag YogaCandi 5-day meditation on any social media sites that you use. And on there we can help motivate each other and talk about our monkey minds as well. Let me know at the end of each video, how did your mind treat you today? Was it a difficult one? Did you manage to sit still? Or did you not? And that's okay, every day is different. This is why it's a practice. So we've just got to keep practicing together. So if you're ready to join me on the mat, then feel free. Wear something nice and comfortable, and just know that you can either sit in a comfortable seated position during the classes, or you can lie down in Shavasana. You can even just sit in a chair if that's better for you, whatever's more comfortable for your body. Just listen to your body, and together we can start to become a little more peaceful and a little more calm. So feel free to join me. Namaste.